Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and let's talk a little bit about the widgets. Something is going to happen to everybody on Windows 11. It's not an insider thing, it's really to everyone on Windows 11. It will take several weeks, according to Microsoft, for everybody to have it. But what's going to happen with the widgets is that right now the widgets is showing the weather, and this is the default for the taskbar, what it will be showing. Now, with the update, and it will be pushed through Windows Update, and it's going to be pushed through one of those web experience packs that we were wondering what exactly do they do. So within the next few weeks, when you check your Windows Update, there will be a web or a Windows expansion pack or whatever. And that is our experience pack, and it's going to push one new feature to the widgets. Not only will you see the weather, but you will see breaking news, you will see stock quotes, you will see sports scores, all sorts of things like that, depending on how you have set up the information there. Now, one of the things that they're saying is that if you do not wish to have any of that, just do not interact with whatever widget will show. And as time goes by, the only thing it will show is the weather. It depends on your interaction with this. Now, a few things that I have to talk about with the widgets that we need to make sure Microsoft understands at some point. First of all, I think everybody is with me on one thing. On Windows 10, you had the news and interest on the bottom right. And of course, news and interest, you could just go in settings and prevent it from showing up when you would hover the mouse pointer. We need a switch like that for widgets. It's very important. Microsoft, please, you need to put an on-off switch for the automatic widgets panel coming up. I like to have the weather, but I hated that just because by accident my mouse pointer went over it, the widgets panel opened. Also, concerning these new informations that will roll out, the idea is not necessarily bad, because if you wish to have latest breaking news, for example, it could be okay. But please put switches. If immediately I don't want any of that, just off. That's it. Nothing more. I don't want it. And that is something that is unfortunately a big problem, and you know what? It's one of the top asked features. Give us a slider to switch off what we don't want, even to switch off everything widget if we don't want. We just want to have the control over what we see and don't see on our Windows panel, and especially in the case of business. I don't think business wants to have these panels pop up and all of this, furious. Most pensioners will not get next year's £1,000 state pension. It's like, who cares? What is that? Why is it here? And why is it showing? I don't want to have anything like that, So I guess we'll have to go in the feedback hub and tell Microsoft, please put those switches so we can switch on or off what we want, or just completely off if we don't want it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.